How good was it? How was you? How was you in that thing? You was in that thing like, oh, oh, oh. Hi, Poppy. Oh my God. The pretty flowers. So beautiful. Chat, what flowers are these? Comment down below. Here we are, chat.
Hi. Hi.
I got my stick like I'm Rafiki. Yes, sir. We're at the beautiful, delicious greenery.
Adventurous out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that.
Should have brought my Oakley.
Your what?
We were near the car.
Your what?
My Oakleys.
Oh.
Sunglasses.
Oh my goodness. This looks like a heart almost.
I see.
A heart of sun. Heart of sunflower.
Hey, Mr. Shell. How you doing, Mr. Shell? He like blends in. Wow. Hi, buddy. Hey, Mr. Snaky. How you doing, Mr. Snaky? So I have no idea, man.
Like, look. That's where you get lost then.
Oh, for sure.
I stepped in a hole. Guys, I broke my stick. I was trying to do a bat flip. I was trying to show Poppy my Poppy Ortiz swing. And he said, do a bat flip. And I was like, all right, I got you. I'll do a bat flip. And I did the bat flip in my bat. Improved. Never doing a bat flip for Poppy, never again. Big Poppy Ortiz. Playing glizzy with flies. Chips.
You got chili, cheese, onion.
You got a barbecue sandwich.
Baked beans.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
not bad, not bad.